Sorry about the cutout. My max time on this thing's 3 minutes. Yeah, a lot of rain. So I said it's better than snow. A lot better. So, yeah, I have nothing to do. Sucks. Big time. So, get new wipers. Because apparently, I was washing the window and that little thing that hooks onto that, I was cleaning it, it hooked, I thought, hit it, it'd go back down. It broke. So this thing didn't have a wiper until Friday. Glad I put it on there because if I start driving this thing around town, like I always do, and I turn the windshield wipers on, that thing's going to be leaving a mark on the window. So, I have nothing to do. Mom cleaned up the mess from COVID. Glad I wasn't there to do it. I did not want to do that. So, roll up the window. Get back inside where it's dry. Park. Give or take. A lot better than out here. Holy crap. Tallest getting a bath. This is my ranger. Hi, kitties. Want to be on YouTube? This is our kitties. Gray, stripes, and big old kitty girl. I'll have these posted on YouTube. Bye.